In 1916, in the small town of Irwin, Tennessee, a circus elephant named Mary met a tragic fate. Mary, who had performed for years, was accused of killing her trainer during a parade, but the trainer was inexperienced and mistreated her. Out of fear and public outrage, the circus sentenced her to death. Mary was hanged using a railway crane, a horrifying spectacle witnessed by hundreds. This tragedy reminds us of the cruelty animals faced in the name of entertainment. Let's ensure history doesn't repeat itself. Please follow us for more.